Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 524. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to navigate to roblox.com website and log into your Roblox account and then select the gear icon and select settings. On left side you just need to select privacy content maturity. On right side select content maturity. Set this to restricted and save change successfully. Go back and select visibility and private servers. Select private servers and set this to everyone. And now just go back and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time. And you just need to turn on this set time zone automatically and set time automatically, both of it turned on. After turning on, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, select view network status and task, select the connection and select properties, select internet protocol version 4 and select properties, select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS server, type 1001 and click on OK. And now just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller. Select the download option under geekuninstaller.com. Select the zip and download it. After getting download and select this folder icon, double click on the zip file we downloaded, double click on the application, select yes and in here search Roblox. Right click on the Roblox and select a force removal option and select yes. This program will help you to remove all the leftover files guys. As you can see, select the finish option to delete all the leftover files. Now just to close stuff here and open up new tab and search Roblox download and select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download and install it, after the installation done, our problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.